Visual now. Yeah. So they can. They've got backup basically. Ronald, would you like to turn around and smile at the camera? Okay, so the impala fighting over there. Mm.
Look at the pain. Huh?
The lion's climbing ability is obviously not as good as that of a leopard.
Clearly.
But they can climb. Their weight counts against them. The youngsters can climb very well. And when the trees are quite low branching, they can get up them quite easily, but never as high as a leopard.
Is she just up there to cover?
Let's have a look around. It's quite thick bush here, so by getting up the tree they can see around them, see what's going on, where they want to go, especially if they don't know the area quite as well. There's all the internal organs.